Educate yourself about the safety of flying by researching the statistics and facts about airline safety. Talk to a doctor or therapist about your fear of flying and get professional guidance on how to manage it. Try cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, which can help you identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors. Use calming techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or visualization exercises. Use distraction techniques like reading, listening to music, or watching movies during the flight. Try relaxation exercises like progressive muscle relaxation, where you tighten and release your muscles to relieve stress. Practice exposure therapy by gradually exposing yourself to the things that trigger your fear of flying. Attend a fear of flying course or workshop to learn coping mechanisms and receive support from others. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, as they can increase anxiety and make it harder to relax. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water before and during the flight. Choose a seat that makes you feel comfortable, such as an aisle seat or a seat near the front of the plane. Use a travel pillow or neck support to help you feel more relaxed and comfortable. Wear comfortable clothes that are not too tight or restrictive. Plan ahead by packing things that help you feel relaxed and calm, such as a favorite book or calming essential oils. Learn about the sounds and sensations of flying to understand what to expect during takeoff, turbulence, and landing. Use headphones or earplugs to block out loud noises and create a more peaceful environment. Practice positive self-talk by reminding yourself that you are safe and that your fear is not based on real danger. Bring a comforting object, like a favorite stuffed animal or blanket, to help you feel more at ease. Use a fear of flying app that can help you learn coping strategies and provide guided meditations. Get to the airport early so that you have plenty of time to go through security and get settled before your flight. Use a travel partner or buddy system to help you feel more supported and less alone. Consider taking a sedative or anti-anxiety medication if prescribed by a doctor. Avoid watching or reading the news before your flight, as it can increase feelings of anxiety. Practice gratitude by focusing on the positive aspects of your flight, like the opportunity to travel or the chance to see loved ones. Use aromatherapy with calming essential oils like lavender or chamomile. Choose a flight during a time of day when you feel most alert and awake. Use technology to distract yourself, like playing games on your phone or tablet. Use a mindfulness app to help you stay present and reduce anxiety during the flight. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem, and recognize the progress you are making. Remember that fear is a normal and natural response, and that it is possible to overcome it with the right tools and support.